Hey guys, it's Kenny with Flytime RC. We're going to do a second speed run of the new version 5 low wing V-tail. So we have our Speedo taped to the plane. As you can see, it's probably causing a good amount of drag. I put some tape on the front to maybe help stop that. I don't know.
Kind of looks like a window. It's
probably not going to help a whole lot, but it's making it so it's not going to go anywhere. Anyways, and I have the CG just about perfect on it. It's pretty good. Anyways, we're going to get it up in the air. The only difference today between this flight and the last flight is we have a 6x6 instead of a 6x5.5. So I'm expecting about 110 miles an hour with this thing. We'll see. We're going to get it up in the air and find out. I'm going to chuck it towards the field over here just in case I don't get on the throttle quick enough or the controls quick enough and it goes down. But it should fly pretty good. So let's see what happens.
Here we go. Whoa, crap. Whoa. Oh, jeez. Dang, that was scary for like a few seconds. Woo. Oh no, stupid autofocus. Wait, where'd it go?
It is kind of going to the... Okay, there we go.
Trying to catch it on camera. Keeps trying to autofocus. There we go. There we go. Stop autofocusing. Jeez. Here she comes. Boom! Jeez, it's so hard to keep up with. Just trying to like keep it in the center of the screen. Whoa, jeez. Oh, I almost hit that building.
Nah.
Jeez. Look at that. Boom!
Oh, this thing is crazy.
I feel like it's faster today, way faster.
I don't know, I feel like it's almost slower. I feel like that thing's causing a lot of freaking drag. I don't know, we're gonna see.
Girl, keeping it like perfect in front. Dang.
You can hear when I pull off the throttle. It's just so ridiculous.
Just worried that we're gonna smash into a million pieces.
Ooh, buddy. Alright. Got about 2 minutes left.
Okay. Boom! I can see that starting to kind of slow down now. Whoa. Woo! So crazy.
Hope you got that.
I did.
That was crazy.
Whoa. Oh, jeez.
Okay, yeah, I can tell we're
Oh,
running low on juice.
Oh,
shit.
oh.
It's like I lost control of it.
Okay, let's go check the damage.
Dang, I hope it didn't break it.
Oh, it looks like the nose might be bent. Hold on.
Yeah, dang it. I lost control and it's like
oh yeah.
Connection.
Oh yeah. Oh wait. Oh yeah.
Well, I broke the prop. 115 miles an hour.
Holy crap!
Here, get that good.
Oh, stupid autofocus. There.
115.
Oh my god.
Oh. I crunched the nose too. Oh, I'm so bummed.
Oh.
I don't know what happened. You know what I think happened is, so we got to the bottom of our timer. Our first timer was 3 minutes, and I think that because we're pulling so much amperage with this prop, we just sucked the battery down to nothing, and
it left like a crater.
I knew that last little burst that I did over here, I could tell that it was running low, so I like shut the throttle down and started drifting it, and then as soon as I got over here and turning it around, it just lost control.
Where's the crater? Is it right there?
Yeah, I think it landed right here, maybe.
Jeez.
So unfortunately, I crunched the front end, and that's a bummer.
115 miles an hour. Oh, there's the prop. Well, what's left of
So,
it?
115. I'm gonna say, like with the giant thing sticking up the top, I'm gonna say this thing is 100%, 120 mile an hour plane, easy. Maybe a little bit more without this on there, but holy crap, 115. I'm stoked.
Cut.